property?
Is there any documentation from the town?
Yes, I can pull.
It's not a city, it's a town up here.
Yeah, exactly where their property is and where the road allowance is, because they
The
don't.
problem that they're having is that the property that you just purchased doesn't butt onto like 106 and 108.
I don't get you, man.
It doesn't edge. Like your property doesn't hit up to 106 and 108.
I have a picture over here that could show you show you the survey from.
Because they're saying that there's another road allowance just this way.
So this is the old survey over here. So this is Nagaya Drive where we are, right? So we have Beach Road and Cedar Road. So this is Beach Road. As you see, this road allowance, it continues right on. I mean, like, I'm paying $8,000 for this. Like, you know what? I got to get the survey done properly, right? And I don't want, you know.
What I'm asking is, I'd like to see showing him a piece of paper saying I have the right to enter to do my work. Yep. Nobody likes to hear that. So I kind of explained to him, but I left at that point. And I come all the way from Brampton. Yep. So when I come in, I want to make sure that I can do my work. Yep. That's why I asked him to be here today. I think that's the reason he's here. And that's fine. I'm not saying he can't. I'm not saying he can't. Yeah, no, I understand that. And I'm not saying he can't be here. I think the only thing is, from what I'm taking from that email, is the town has requested for an actual survey. Absolutely. I think these guys need to finish their job to find where the actual road allowance is. And that's what I'm taking from here.
To specifically mark it up, because it's already been surveyed. It's
the reason he's here today is last time we came here, and he was supposed to be here, but we were scheduled to be here.
As he said, she said right now.
Okay.
Yeah, but listen, you've proved to me with that email.
Yes, sir.
What Andrew has written you
Yes, sir.
says that he does not know where the road allowance is until they're finished their job.
Yes, sir.
So I cannot say to you, yes, you can walk through here, because I don't know where the road allowance is.
Of course, sir.
Neither does the town of Gravenhurst, because until he finishes it,
Of course, sir.
finds the markers.
Of course, sir. And the old survey on registry with the markers in there, I guess that does not. Well, I'm not going there. I'm not going there. What's the verdict at the end of
Where we're
the
going
day?
is these guys are going to be able to do their job.
Thank you, sir.
People are not going to interfere with them.
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. We'll be here tomorrow, and we're just going to mark the stickers on the road.
My suggestion is you don't need to be here. I'm serious.
Are you guys going to obstruct me from accessing my property?
We can't prove whose property this is.
Sir?
I'm done. Because the town has told you they want this marked out by a surveyor. So I don't care.
For services, sir.
No, it doesn't say services.
Well, that's a small conversation between me and him. That's not official legal.
You've given me.
Okay, sir.
So we're done with this conversation.
Okay, so for
Let
tomorrow.
these men do their job, because that's what you're paying them
Yes,
for.
sir.
If you have any other issues, you deal with the town of Gravenhurst.
That is understood.
It's done. I am done talking to you because I'm talking in circles. I don't care what he says, that this has been surveyed 20 years ago or 20 days ago. You've been told by the Township of Gravenhurst that this man needs to survey it before they will make a decision on anything. That's the email you provided to me.
Thank you, sir.
You stay off this property until they're done.
Thank you, sir. Could I get a written notice of today, or your badge number or something like that? Of this today, just in case for any future references?
11242.
11242. Thank you, sir. Move my vehicle on a road allowance.
But even on a road allowance,
okay, just watch how close you're getting. Just give me some space here. Don't get your fingers too close to me.
I will give you the fucking space I want.
Oh yeah, is that right? I will have you charged if you're being aggressive to me. You understand that? You understand that? Okay, now I'm going to have you charged. Now I will have you charged. Now I'm going to call the police.
Jason,
when I get home,
now,
I'm going to call the police and I will have you charged. You want having fun today?
I'm having a great day.
Oh, it's beautiful.
What's the issue?
Well, I had it surveyed. I'm accessing my property. I paid for it. This is legal road allowance. This is.
I'm not here to argue with you.
Okay.
I just hear all this arguing over here.
So just.
So.
I'm Margie's friend.
In on what?
He's gonna move his car.
Camp my property.
And are you camping on it now?
No. No, because of this issue. It's been 2 years since I've been able to camp on my property because of this little resolve here. Because of
It
this.
sounds like if you access it via Beach Road, it wouldn't be a problem.
Well, that's what I just did, and everybody's here right now. What's the issue?
I think Cedar's the next one over.
They don't have a permit to open this road allowance. They don't have a permit to use this. They never went to the Ministry of Natural Resources.
In order to issue us
Listen, ma'am, I'm trying to access my property.
But if you're
And this
trying-
is the legal road
But
allowance.
if you're trying to access your property, why are you accessing your property? Why is there confrontation?
I just took some pictures and I'm walking away. You guys are here.
Okay, well that's perfect.
The town has told me not to access this property.
Perhaps you could contact them. It's Bay.
You have no idea how an entrance permit works then.
So this
No.
isn't Beach Road because this says Cluey's
No,
Bay.
Cluey's Bay is out there, ma'am. That's the name of the area. I don't know
That's what
if you're.
Well, I'm just confused because you got two things for me here. Where's your numbers?
Ours is
Mine's
on
on
the
my
tree right
tree.
there.
Both of us are on the trees.
So they're both on the tree.
Yeah.
So you're actually incorrect. If their
Excuse me?
numbers are here, then that is their driveway.
Ma'am, they don't have a permit to open this road allowance. They don't have a permit to use this.
never there.
They never went to
It
the
just
Ministry
sounds
of
like you
Natural
want
Resources.
confrontation.
In order to issue us,
Listen, Matt, can we agree?
involved with the town right now.
Well, no,
If you have an email that says you can access Beach Road in an email, then that's a different issue.
I do, and I
Right
sent
now,
that over in a
it's
police
unresolved.
report. I sent.
is it?
I'm going through the town. The town had me go ahead and put stakes in to verify
That's why
where the lot
town
is.
said to use that entrance for now until this is resolved.
They've requested that.
Well, do you have anything from the town in writing? I have something from Manager Stacy stating that it's open for me to walk and utilize.
I think that
Listen, we don't want to go in circles here. What's the verdict, guys? We can go back and forth.
Okay,
here. Yeah,
you want to come up here and enjoyably use your property, right?
that's correct.
Is that
That's
correct?
correct. Yeah.
I'm sure they want to too. There is an opportunity for you to go on the other side, and from what I'm hearing, the town has said for you to access.
That's what
the
you're hearing.
property
I
to
listen.
go on that
I
side.
have provided you information from the town stating that I have legal access to walk through this way.
I'm looking at it.
That's
So
gone
that's
down
what
the
I'm
road.
saying. Like if not in a policing capacity, but in a human capacity, if I want to go do something peaceful, I don't want to go where there's confrontation. So it's not like you have to access it just through here. There is another accessible point. So if I was in your situation, there's two more. If I was in your situation, I would access it that point because then I could have a peaceful experience. That for me, that's just like common sense. You don't have a permit to park here. You are allowed to access the property via foot traffic.
Okay.
If there is confrontation, then it'll be a different situation. My suggestion to you, sir, is that you access your property in a different location that isn't so close to the residences on the other two opportunities that you have available.
The other one opportunity I have available.
One opportunity you have available.
Which there's a steep topography and there's a risk
Look
of
like a
injury
fairly
walking over
fit
there.
guy.
They're letting you go through there. We also have to figure out where you can park, and then you can access through foot going that way.
Yep.
last time
You
you,
did,
were
and you
here,
laughed at me.
he went down there and he charged down this road.
I have
Megan
it.
has
Yes,
it.
I have.
He was so angry.
Yes.
Oh, so I just drove to the back and came back, and all of a sudden it's a big deal for me to drive to the back and the front. So I have children. I have legal right to record every
Why do you
situation.
feel like you need to report safety-wise? Just for my own.
I'm not even going there. Okay, so right now we've confirmed that I can access this. You don't want me to park here. I understand. Anything beyond that, man?
Just be.
Want to clarify something?
Sure. If you want to transfer me 1 second. Okay.
I'll come back and talk to you. We're just gonna get some info.
I'm transferring him.
Thank you.
Hi, you've reached Fire Chief Darrell Bailey. Please leave me a detailed message and I'll return your call within 1 business day. Have a fire safe day. Thank you.
At the tone, please record your message. When you are finished recording, you may hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi, Daryl. I'm calling in to report a Puma smoke by Windermere and Shea Road. Matt, how you doing? You're from the building department of Gravenhurst, correct?
Yeah, sorry, I think we've been doing a bit of phone tag there.
No problem. Thank you so much for.
Yeah, he's not quite seeing it here, but I mean, regardless, if it's on a road allowance, I mean, they wouldn't be permitted that permit, so I highly doubt we have a permit for it.
Okay.
So is that something that you're looking to put a complaint in about, and then Will you address it or?
Yeah, how would I go about doing that?
Yep. So you can do an online complaint. We have a form. So if you just typed into Google Gravenhurst online complaint form, it'll come up right with the form.
Mm-hmm.
And then you'll just select that it's a building bylaw one, and then just put in some information. Your information's never provided to whoever you're complaining on. That's confidential information. That's just for us, for our records to reach out to you if we need to.
Mm-hmm.
But that's never given out to them. So yeah, if you just fill out that form and do the building bylaw one, it'll go directly to our building email, and then one of our inspectors will take a look at it for sure.
Okay, perfect.